Hello and welcome back to Igbo Academy. My name is Shoma. Today we are going to talk about musical instruments in Igbo language. Musical instruments in Igbo language. And it is called Ụfọdụ. That's some musical instruments in Igbo language. And it is called Ụfọdụ ngwa egwu ndị Igbo. Ụfọdụ ngwa egwu ndị Igbo. Some musical instruments in Igbo language. Number one, the chief is the drum. The drum. And the drum is called Igba. The drum is called Igba. Igba. That's number one. The second musical instrument we're going to talk about is the metal gong. The metal gong. The metal gong is called ogene. The metal gong is called ogene. Ogene. Metal gong, ogene. Then number three, we have the pot drum. The pot drum. The pot drum is called udu. The pot drum is called udu. Udu. Pot drum. Number four, we have the rattle. The rattle. The rattle is called ichaka. The rattle is called ichaka. Ichaka. So now we have number five, the hand guitar. Number five, the hand guitar. The hand guitar is called obo aka. The hand guitar is called obo aka. Hand guitar, obo aka. Number six, we have the slit drum. The slit drum is called ekwe. Slit drum, ekwe. The slit drum is called ekwe. Then number seven, we have the flute. The flute is called oja. The flute is called oja. Flute, oja. Then number eight, we have the elephant tucks. The elephant tucks. The elephant tucks is called opu. The elephant tucks is called opu. Then number nine, we have the metal rattle. Metal rattle. The metal rattle is called oyo. 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 The metal rattle is called oyo. Oyo. Then we have the bell gong. The bell gong is just like the metal gong. It's a metal gong also, but the other one is the ogene is shorter, but this bell gong is longer, and we call it alu. Alu. Alu is a bell gong. It is longer. You keep it on the floor. When you hit it and make your sweet melodious music. You keep it on the ground, but ogene, you hold it on your hand and you're like making your music. So the bell drum is called alu. Alu. Then number 10, we have the shake seats that we use in making music. Shake seats, and it's called ebiri. Ebiri. The shake seat is ebiri. Then we have the ordinary bell, number 12. We have ordinary bell. We use it in music too. It is called ngwa. Ngwa. The ordinary bell is called ngwa. So these are the 12 musical instruments we have in Igbo language. There are many others, but these are the basic ones. You can see many others too. They're not that much, but these are the basic ones. So these are the musical instruments we have in Igbo language. I think now you should be able to tell me 5 out of the 12 that I've said. You should know Igbo, you should know ogene, at least those two basic ones, all ogene music, You must see Igba and you must see Ogene. And you must see Oja. Oja, the person that plays the flute. The flute must be there. So that'll be all. But let's go through them again. Number 1, the drum, Igba. The drum is called Igba. 2, the metal gong is called Ogene. The metal gong is called Ogene. 3, the pot drum is called Udu. The pot drum is called Udu. Udu is a pot drum. It's a pot that makes a noise when you hit it with a foam. Yeah, it's a foam like foam. I'll show you. Oh, you see the pictures there. You just hit it and it makes one sweet noise, one sweet music. It's not a noise, it's a music. When it's organized music, it's because they say music is an organized sound. So when you organize it, you make melodious music. Number 4, you have the rattle. The rattle, which we call Ichaka. The rattle, Ichaka. Number 5, you have the hand guitar. The hand guitar. You know, in Igbo land we have our own guitar. It's not the Igbo type. I'm talking about local musical instruments, our own Igbo musical instruments. This ubaka is a string, a hand guitar. You use your hand in it. Your 2 hands, not one. You use it, you hold it like this and you make your and the music is very sweet. The melody is very Okay, the hand guitar is called Obo Aka. Ego Obaka. Number 6, you have the slit drum. The slit drum is called Ekwe. Ekwe, 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 Ekwe. So that Ekwe, you use sticks. It's a stick. It's made out of stick. It has been molded. There is a hole inside. So you use your sticks to make it, and as you hit it, you make the music. Then number 7, we have Oja. So Oja, this is Oja. This is Oja. I'll stick to the picture, but this is Oja. I traveled around August and I bought like a couple of Ojas because I like the sound. Let me play it. I just like the music that I make out of it. So this is Oja. If you want one, you can buy it Oja. But you can't see it everywhere. You can see it only in Igbo land, and it's not everywhere in Igbo land. So there are particular places that you can see it. I give you it on the chat. I'm sure if I want to look for this Oja in Nsukka, it's going to be very hard for me. So this is Oja. See, it's a woodwind instrument. Sound. There's a hole here that comes out here very small, and it has another hole here, another hole here. Where you hold it, and you put it on your mouth, and you blow. Oja, a musical instrument. It's very good. I also got to Ubaka, but that one is at home. I'm not at home now. If I'm at home, I would have showed you. Then number 8, you have the elephant stalks. Yes, my people. I don't know, most Igbo people don't. Some of them don't know what is Oku, but in Nsukka, where I come from, you use it very well. When you're dancing out, the sound you make is like poo 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 poo. You see, when you're dancing the Koredo, that's what we use. Our elders and our young ones too can even blow it. I remember when I was in my traditional marriage, it was children from the block rosary. Sorry, you my dad is very right. It was children from the block rosary that learned how to play the Oku, and they are dancing the Korean and playing the instruments. So everybody can play it. Then that's the elephant stalks, and it is called the Oku. Then number 9, we have the metal rattle. People that play, they used to hold it like this and they'll be like our Korean. So they playing it like it. You see them, they're making the music and they'll be shaking their head. It's very, very sweet. It's very, 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 very sweet. The music is Then you have alo, the bell gong. They'll put it on the floor and be hitting it and be playing it. If you say not playing it, I think person used to be out of this world. It's very, very sweet. The bell drum is called alo. Then the ekpiri, the shake seed is ekpiri. Used to make, I would have bought it too, but I don't know why I didn't buy it. The shake seed is called ekpiri. Then the last but not the least, the bell. The bell is called mberimba. The bell is called mberimba. So these are the Igbo musical, some of the Igbo musical instruments. Ụfọdụ, ngwa, egwu, Igbo. So I hope you can tell me 5 or 10 of them today. You should know their names very well. So whenever you see it anywhere, you can identify it. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Share this video. Tell your friends about it. Share it to them. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Please, I need your subscriptions. Thank you very much, everyone. And do have a nice day. Kenetia, Cordilanzia.